Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So today's video is going to be a pumpkin spice smoky eye. So it's fall and I've been really inspired lately with makeup and the fall season. I don't know why, but I thought up a whole bunch of looks and pumpkin spice is one of them. Well, pumpkin spice specifically is like all the rage, like every fall, all the time. So I mean, I'm not like a huge fan of pumpkin spice like lattes or anything. Like I drink them, but they're not like my favorite. But I do love pumpkin pie. I love anything like pumpkin bread. I love wearing colors like that pumpkin, like that burnt pumpkin situation. Anyways, so I thought I would do a warm orangey smoky eye with a warm orange lip because why not? It's fall. So let's get started on this warm pumpkin spice smoky eye. So as you guys can tell, I already have foundation, concealer, powder, brows, all of that. And we're gonna jump into eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using a couple of different palettes. For starters, I'm gonna be using the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette. I know this is a very summery looking palette, but these warm shades right here are just like everything, and I feel you can use this palette all year round. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is the orangey shade called Coco Taxi right there. And I'm using my Alamar Cosmetics fluffy brush from the Ojitos trio. We're gonna put that all in our crease everywhere. Then I'm gonna scoot in a little more so you guys can see better. So now what I'm going to do is go into the Armed and Gorgeous palette by Morphe and dip into the shade Agent. We're going to take the M441 brush. It is still a fluffy brush, but it's a little bit more packed. And we are going to be putting that all over our crease as well, kind of the same place where we put that Coco Taxi shade. But since this brush is a little more dense, it'll pack the color on better. So now we're going to go into the Morphe Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Mugshot right there on the Morphe M433 brush, and we are going to start packing that in the outer corner. I'm kind of leaving my lid bare. Just with whatever is left on my brush, I'm kind of just blending that lid out a little bit. So now I'm going to take this smaller e.l.f. brush and go into the shade Smooth Criminal in the Armed and Gorgeous palette right here. It's a really warm brown. And we are going to put this in our outer corner. I'm going to switch over to a smaller brush to pack that color in the outer corner. So I'm going to go back into the first shade that we used in the Alamar palette, Coco Taxi, with that same fluffy brush and start blending out the edges. I also kind of want to blend out my lid a little bit with this shade. And then go back into Agent. And blend out that crease a little bit. So now I'm going to go back into the Alamar Cosmetics palette and take the shade Cafecito. And with this flat definer brush, I'm going to line the outer corner of my eye, like if I would an eyeliner. Then I'm going to take the small e.l.f. brush, dip into Cafecito, and blend out that outer corner. Now we're going to move on to the lower lash line, and I'm going to take the shade Cafecito again and really closely line my lower lash line. I'm going to connect whatever you did in the outer corner. And if you see, I was kind of like flicking up the outer corner so that brown all connects. I'm gonna take that e.l.f. brush again and just blend that outer corner out a little bit. So now I'm gonna go back into the shade Mugshot in the Ring the Alarm palette, and with this smaller smudger brush, run that on our lower lash line to blend that out. We're gonna clean off that e.l.f. brush, go dip into the shade Agent right there, and run that on our lower lash line as well. And last but not least, we're gonna go into the Alamar palette again and do Coco Taxi. With that same fluffy brush, just use the tip to blend everything out. So now I'm gonna line my waterline with this MAC Coach Riche eyeliner. Oh my god. Alright guys, I don't know what happened to this, but we're gonna make it work. So for inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go into this Morphe contour palette, and it has like highlighting shades. I'm gonna dip into the shade Venus right here, put that in my inner corner. And then for a brow bone highlight, I'm gonna take the shade Beam, put that in my brow bone. Let's put on some mascara. So I always forget to mention what mascara I'm using, but in all of my videos for like the last couple of months, I've been using the L'Oreal Carbon Black Voluminous Mascara right here. So I haven't been using anything else. That's why I never really mentioned it, because it's always the same mascara. So for a bronzer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Vivid Bronzer. It's in the shade Golden Days. It's like a baked bronzer. So for blush, I'm going to dip into the shade Agent right here. I didn't really have a really orangey blush in my collection that I wanted to use for this, and I remember when I did do a tutorial on this palette, I did use that shade Agent as blush, and it was beautiful. This blush is looking a little bit too orangey, like I want some like a hint of red or something. So I'm gonna take the shade Tropico, tap off the excess, blend that out a little bit. Guys, I might be looking like a clown, but don't worry, we will blend it all out. So I'm gonna take another blush brush that doesn't have any product on it and just blend it all out. So the next step has become my favorite thing to do when I am doing my makeup lately, and it's been putting this KKW Beauty Brightening Powder in my under eyes. It just makes my makeup look flawless. Like, I don't know, I'm just obsessed with this powder. You see how flawless that looks? Alright guys, let's move on to highlight. I'm going to go back into that Morphe contour palette and use the shade Beam as my highlight. Alright, last but not least, the lipstick. I'm going to be using the Ofra Cosmetics Miami Fever lipstick. This is the collaboration that Kathleen did like ages ago, and till this day, I think it's been like 3 years, this is my all-time favorite fall lipstick. I am obsessed with this lipstick. Like, every time fall comes around, like I need to wear this. Like no matter what, like this is just like my go-to fall lipstick. I just like this orangey color. I just love it so much. So that's what we're doing. Alright guys, let's put some setting spray. Alright guys, I'm gonna go really quick to grab myself a pumpkin spice latte and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and this is the final look. Got my pumpkin spice. And for those of you wondering, I did not get a pumpkin spice latte. I got 4 shots of espresso on ice with a splash of heavy cream. Like literally a splash, and 1 pump of the pumpkin sauce that they have. If you guys don't know or you guys are new, I do keto. For those of you who know me and watched my weight loss vlogs, know that I do keto. So the pumpkin sauce is not keto at all. It has 5 carbs, 5 sugars, but I wanted some pumpkin. And 1 pump isn't gonna hurt anybody, you know, just be good the rest of the day. And that's about it. It's enough sweetness for me, honestly, and it tastes freaking delicious. I love this stuff. Anyways, I had to go run out and pick up Aria and pick up my pumpkin spice latte, so that's why I was gone, and I came back to film the outro for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really liked creating it. I think it's such a beautiful, warm, brown smoky eye with this orangey lip. Like perfect for fall, perfect for just nice breezy fall weather that Miami does not have. I'm literally sweating in this jean shirt right now. It's like so freaking hot out here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.